About the motherfucking Porsche, I don't want it if that ass don't sit like a horse.
Hey YouTube, what's up? So this is a Royal Enfield Thunderbird 350X. This is the West Bengal's first Thunderbird 350X, which was delivered to my friend whose name is Shovik Chaudhary. So he got the first official Royal Enfield Thunderbird 350X. So the specifications of this bikes are: this is a single cylinder 4-stroke twin spark 349cc of engine. This may be the holy grail of any Royal Enfield lover. मैं खुद चलाया हूँ इस बाइक को, बहुत कंफर्टेबल है. दिस मे बी द नेक्स्ट कंपिटिटर ऑफ हार्ले डेविडसन 750 स्ट्रीट. मैंने 750 स्ट्रीट भी चलाया हूँ, मैं थंडरबर्ड 350X भी चलाया हूँ. दोनों में ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है, बट हाँ, जो रॉयल एनफील्ड का जो परंपरा जो जिसको बोलते हैं वो अभी तक है, जो है वाइब्रेशन. अदर देन द वाइब्रेशन आई हैवंट फाउंड एनी फॉल्ट ऑन दिस बाइक टिल नाउ, and this bike comes with the alloy wheel and tubeless tires also. So if you are planning for a long trip, you have just no problem riding this baby. And one more thing, the design is flawless. The design is literally flawless. Coming to the ergonomics section, the bike looks premium on every direction. It just screams out that I am a Royal Enfield and you need to ride me to feel me. The handlebar position have been lowered down for good riding posture, so you won't be having those wrist pains. Boon of this bike is the tubeless tire with the alloy wheels. So now you will be having a bike with good looking. And one more thing, if you are on to cruising or on for long rides, then Thunderbird 350X is just for you. But you have to deal with those vibration. As I said before, this bike will tow you a bit. This bike can tow your journey, because the vibrations are really too much for me, at least for me. But Royal Enfield need to work on that. And one more thing, the bike is good for long rides because it is having a 20-liter of fuel tank, but the reserve is of 5 liters, which is huge. So if you are a daily commuter, so you need to deal with that a bit, because as we all know, running on reserve isn't good for your bike's health. Overall, the bike looks premium and it is a good value for money. And whereas you're getting a good 350cc engine or a 350cc bike under 2 lakh, this bike costed Shovik around 1,92,000, including the red rooster silencer. So let's hear the exhaust note and you decide how was it. And please, headphone is recommended for this.
like it.